this movement, and it really affected them, their studies and their mental health. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate the way you have thought on this matter. It's very obvious to see the generation, next generation, we call the Generation Z, to flourish themselves with a freedom of speech in any place, anywhere in the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Judge. And now we're going to move to the next contestant, contestant number 6.
Minna ma'am, over to you.
Hello, Humaira. How are you today?
I'm good. Good evening, judges. Assalamu alaikum.
So obviously I'm going to ask you a question in English. Is that okay?
I am comfortable with
Okay, somebody will help you to translate in case. So, why should we choose you? What sets you apart from the other contestants?
হুমায়রা, তোমার মাঝে এমন কি আছে যার কারণে আমরা তোমাকে চুজ করব এবং কেন তোমার মনে হয় তুমি অন্যদের থেকে আলাদা?
Thank you very much for your question. আমার মধ্যে আমি বিশ্বাস করি এমন কিছু আছে যা আমি